Hey, what's up guys? Mike Austin21 here with another video, and today we're just going to be building and benchmarking this $300 deal hunting computer. So let's do it. To start off the parts list for today's build is an RX 570 4GB from Red Dragon. Next, we have a motherboard, CPU, and RAM combo, with the motherboard being an MSI H81 E34 motherboard, an i5 4670, and 8GB of RAM, which I picked up for 150 bucks. Now for storage, I have a 120GB ADATA SSD, which I picked up for $20 and installed Windows 10 on. Next, for more storage, I added a 500GB C8 hard drive, which I got for 20 bucks off of eBay. So for the power supply, I chose the tried and true 600 watt white label EVGA power supply, which I got off of EVGA B-Stock for only 30 bucks. Finally, we have the case, which is a Corsair Air 240, which I got for free while getting deals on Letgo. So now that we've laid out all the parts, this computer only cost $283 with a Windows 10 home license. So now, let's get to building. So in conclusion, this $300 deal hunting computer performed very well with playing games at 1080p high settings above 60 FPS, and also you can get some pretty banger deals like that $50 RX 570. So I hope you guys like this video, because I actually have another computer build that is actually right behind you right now. It'll be coming up real soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.